Damn, Josh, this is happening.
I know.
I'm already gonna start crying.
Yeah, I know. Oh my God.
I'm gonna cry too.
You look amazing.
I'm gonna cry. Stop it. No.
I can't give you a smooch yet, but geez.
No, stop. I'm crying.
Dude. Hell yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Give me that boy. No, oh my God.
I'm already crying.
I'm trying not to. I'm just, you look amazing. You look amazing.
How dare you? I have to show emotion in front of people.
I know. Dude.
I'm good. We made it.
We did.
We're gathered here today not to mark the start of a relationship, but to recognize and celebrate a bond that has been brewing, quite literally, since 2018. Your love is not a fairy tale. It is real. It is built on thrift shop hunts, being all people at hearts together, as you say, and the peace you find in the mundane moments. Love is a short word, easy to spell, but it is hard work. It is realizing that every mile traveled, every late night assignment, and every challenge was worth it, because you did it together.
Charlotte, gracias por amar tanto a Joshua. Verdaderamente complacerlo y se tiene que ser llorona. Complacerlo y porque siempre has dicho que tiene la mejor suegra del mundo. Which I agree también. So, gracias por querer ser parte de nuestra familia.
Remember that you're no longer two people walking separate paths, but one fellowship, bound together forever. Charlotte, you caught a partner. And you saw the sidekick I grew up with and realized that he was also the man who could be a calm in the storm.
Joshua siempre ha sido en el grupo súper dependible. Es el tipo de persona de que si tú necesitas algo, él va a estar ahí. Y estoy seguro que va a poder darle un futuro mejor para ambos.
Me emociona pensar que esta historia hermosa empezó con algo tan sencillo como unos dulces, ¿verdad? Los famosos Skittles. Pequeños de muchos colores, pero llenos de significado. Y así mismo es el amor de ustedes, lleno de momentos distintos, de alegrías, de retos y aprendizaje, pero siempre con ese toque dulce que los une.
And Joshua, you found the one person who makes even the most ordinary day feel like the greatest adventure of all. From those long nights in architecture school to your settled life today with your fur baby, Waffles, you have built something incredibly special and rare.
Josh, you are one lucky man to have Charlotte as your esposa. Your life is never going to be dull. It's going to be full of adventure, full of love, and very, very full of life. What you don't always get to see is how she talks about you when you're not around. And honestly, that's a shame, because she loves you so much. She's completely smitten. From the beginning, you didn't just love her, you appreciated her humor, her heart, and her strength. And we can all see it in the way you look at her. So gracias for loving my friend the way she deserves, and gracias for embracing her passion and her chaos.
Charlotte, with this hand,
Charlotte, with this hand,
I will lift your sorrows.
I will lift your sorrows.
Your cup will never empty,
Your cup will never empty,
for I will be your wine.
for I will be your wine.
With these candles,
With these candles,
I will light your way in darkness.
I will light your way in darkness.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I ask you to be mine.
I ask you to be mine.
Joshua, with this hand,
Joshua, with this hand,
I will lift your sorrows.
I will lift your sorrows.
Your cup will never empty,
Your cup will never empty,
for I will be your wine.
for I will be your wine.
With these candles,
With these candles,
I will light your way in darkness.
I will light your way into darkness.
In dark, no.
Through darkness. Which one? No darkness, only light.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I ask you to be mine.
I ask you to be mine.
As you begin this new chapter, I leave you with one final thought from the road that Bilbo Baggins traveled. He said, "The road goes ever on and on, out from the door where it began, and I must follow, if I can, pursuing it with eager feet." Joshua and Charlotte, today you step out that door together with eager feet. May your road be paved with joy. May it lead you to 1,000 more coffee shops and thrift stores. And may you find that the best part of the journey is simply the person walking beside you. Now, by the power given to me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Joshua, you may kiss the bride. You're gonna do that?